Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings with Windows plus I. This gets you straight to Controls. Once Settings is open, choose Personalization, then Colors. This is where Windows keeps the theme switches and color accents. Make sure to have administrative access if prompted, and pause other apps so Settings loads quickly. You need to follow these first actionable steps now, because changing the theme affects system and app colors immediately. So be ready to confirm prompts and continue to the next step. Once in Colors, find Choose Your Color and pick Dark from the drop-down. This flips system surfaces and supported apps. If you want apps only, change Default App Mode to Dark. That controls UWP and many settings screens. You can also select Custom to set Windows Light and Apps Dark, which is useful if you want the taskbar lighter than apps. Make sure to scroll for accent color if you want contrast. Changes apply immediately, so test a few apps to confirm behavior. Complete the change by restarting apps because some need a relaunch to pick up dark mode. If colors seem wrong, open Ease of Access and ensure high contrast is off, since that can override dark mode. Once done, confirm the taskbar, File Explorer and Settings are dark. If not, toggle Choose Your Color back to light, then reapply dark to force a refresh. One troubleshooting tip. Restart the PC if individual apps still show the old theme. That resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.